Hi, my YouTube family. This is Melody from Home Garden and Fashion. I thank you so much for being here today. Today, we're going to have a wonderful time together. Hi, today we're going to do our fourth sari design, Zardosi Saree. So I got this trim. I got this one from Walmart long time ago. Now this trim is really beautiful, gorgeous trim, and I got about 3 packages of these. Each packages had 3.5 yards or 3 yards, something like that. So I have used 3 packages in this one, which is about 9 yards. So now it's already is 5 yards long. Sometimes people get 6 yards to have a little bit more pleats, and so I think I have this one 6 yard because, and this is another trim. I got this one from Walmart too. The reason I got this one because it has the little sequin which I can put it for my design, and these are very beautiful silver sequin. So the design is just from out of imagination, and I have used the trim to go around the sari. Pretty much 1/3 of the sari has the trim, and then this circle design. There are 3 kinds of design in this one. We have one this large circle, and we have little bit smaller, and then about just 4 kinds of design in this entire sari. So I used the sequin to do this design. So this design have beads and sequins. So these are the small silver beads. This also I got it from Joanne, I believe. Yeah, Joanne. And then have this trim from Walmart, which I took out the sequin, and then I just cut it and just pull it out the sequin. Now this might seem a lot of work, but it has its benefit. Okay, so it's doing this better than sitting down and trying to meditate. When you create something like this, it's automatic meditation. So you can just pull out the sequin like this, and then you make the design. And you see, when you try to force meditation, your mind wanders into everything. But when you're going to do some sort of design like this, put some music you like, and you see. So this is a design, another one at the bottom, and which took a lot of the sequin and big rhinestone, and these are just small dots I'm giving with one sequence. So yeah, this one has 5 different kinds of design. So this is not a sari, more like my meditation time. So I use my creativity and just create something and relax. So, and this kind of sari about takes a month to do it. So every day 2 hours, and then you're gonna have to let it dry. This is not something you can pull it together in a day, because how will you even dry it in a day? So you have to do little portion. And not only that, you have to bend and do it, right? So it's a lot of stress on your neck, so you don't want to be doing too many hours bending down on one position. So it's best to do every day an hour or 2 and just let it dry. And this is another flower which has the beads as well on the top, but a little smaller. So I have created all kinds of flower in this one. Now these are not something for sale. These are something just you do it out of your imagination to relax, and then if it turns out to be beautiful, you just wear it and people appreciate. But it's not something you can sell because you put into so many hours. It takes about a month or sometimes 2 months, and it's a lot of hard work. So something you need to hold on to. So when appreciate. So this is how I'm gonna start. Put it out in the middle, then go around. Now I speed it up this part because I don't want it to be dragging so long. Now you see, there's something while I'm creating, I want to tell something very important. And see how us humans have a lot of capacity. We can achieve anything we want and do anything we want, but the only reason we can't do it because we're not using our full brain capacity. We use only 20% or 10%. So imagine if we really use like 100%, how much we can get it. So as you can see, I'm putting these darts and then I'm going to fill it in with the sequin and the beads. Now these are not measured. If you want, you can measure it, but I didn't measure it. I'm just putting it as I put my darts, then I'm putting it. And now I'm gonna do the beads on top of it, and you wanna put the beads while it's wet. You don't want to put it when it's dry, and again you don't want to put the liquid because you really don't want to cover up your sequence. You want the cup sequence to give it sign, so you put the sequence and then on the top you put the beads. So you put enough glue slash paint. It's kind of glittery. When it dries, it gives really a glittery sign, and when it's wet, it doesn't really look good. Might think like, okay, this is not looking good. So I use like 3 or 4 sequins, and now I'm going round on this, and I'm going to fill those in, also put my beads on those. So it's going to take like a lot of these flowers to do the entire sari. So don't think about at the beginning how many flowers it will take. See, back in the days, people used to do embroidery on a sari with all the family members sitting in the sun in winter days. And one sari they finished in a month. Everybody did little portion of it, put their ideas, and it was a great creation of something. And they used the beads, sequins, all that. All kinds of pipe beads, long beads, small beads, and they also use glue. They had a special fabric glue they use, and those glues really, sometimes they stitch, sometimes they use glue, but those glues didn't really come. Now do remember, this kind of sarees where they have a lot of decoration, we're not going to wash them, throw them in that washer dryer, wash it, because I don't know how it's gonna be when it's washed. But I have decorated some jeans which I washed, and well, the decoration is still there, but the sign is gone from the sequin. You see, so this is not something you're gonna wear it every day. This is something you're gonna wear it in a party, and then come back and just hang it somewhere, air dry your sweat, and then put it away when it's dry. I don't know if dry cleaning will keep the luster of the sequin and the bead, because I did have one beautiful sari, and one of the relatives let it wash it in the dry clean, borrowed it and then washed it in the dry clean and brought it back, and the sari totally changed. So that was my experience from sari being dry clean, and I never did it after that. But it was not me that I did it. Somebody borrowed my sari and then they washed it before giving. But so that's what I'm saying, that these designs just something like, you know, your collection, your talent. So something not, you're not gonna wash it daily. So basically you can do this kind of designs to unwind after a long day of work. And so this is a beautiful design. Hi, thank you so much for being here today. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, comment and share this video. Thank you. May God bless you all.